Choosing the best DJI drone deal isn't the easiest decision. As the market leader, they have a lot of drones, newer and older, and to some extent, they control the prices, but I've flown them and I know what's on offer for the cash. In this definitive list of the best DJI drones, I'll reveal exactly what you'll get for your money, including which of the still available older models might represent a great deal. You won't be surprised that DJI drones also top our list of the best drones around. From a bit of high-flying fun to the ultimate selfie drone, from a photographer's favorite through to industrial and educational quadcopters, DJI has at least one offering in every area. There's even a drone for crop spraying. 2023 has seen more choices come with the DJI Avata for dramatic yet accessible FPV, a Pro Standard mini drone in the Mini 4 Pro, and the Inspire 3. If this is your first drone, don't forget that you'll also need to look up the rules wherever you are, especially if you want a drone weighing over 250 grams / 8.8 ounces. Without further ado though, let's dive in. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best DJI drones in 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The 2023 arrival of the Mini 3 Pro redefined what was possible in DJI's lightest category of drone, the sub-250 grams weight. The newer Mini 4 Pro takes all that was good about that and refines it, retaining the camera, which can be remotely rotated to portrait or horizontal mode, but improving video to a maximum of 100x at 4K and adding all-round collision sensors. In fact, the OneFirst 3 dual native ISO sensor produces excellent low-light video, at least at frame rates up to 30fps, while the improved range means you can, theoretically, shoot from up to 20 kilometers / 12 miles away. Creatives are thus blessed with a device that can be taken to most places and operated without a license in FAA territory, yet can capture 48MP stills or 4K video, shoot in D-Log, and boots a full selection of DJI's intelligent flight features, including obstacle avoidance. We also like that DJI offers a controller with a 5.5-inch screen built in and a more modestly priced option for those still happy to use their phone as a monitor. DJI still do this reliably with a short cable which is included. Even better, DJI's flexibility extends to offering larger batteries, over 40 minutes from the 34 standard, for those able to break the weight limit. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a top-tier drone designed for professional photographers, videographers, and enthusiasts seeking unparalleled aerial performance. This advanced drone features a triple camera system, including a 4/3 CMLS Hasselblad camera, a telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera, ensuring stunning image quality and versatile shooting options. With capabilities such as 5.1K video recording at 50fps and 20MP still images, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers exceptional detail and color accuracy. Its advanced flight features include omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety, a remarkable flight time of up to 46 minutes, and a transmission range of up to 15 kilometers thanks to the O3 Plus transmission system. The drone also offers intelligent modes like Active Track 5.0, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse, allowing users to effortlessly capture professional quality footage. The compact and foldable design ensures easy portability, while the durable construction makes it suitable for various environmental conditions. Whether for aerial photography, surveying, or search and rescue operations, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands out as a comprehensive and powerful tool for any aerial imaging needs. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 Southeast. The Mini 2 Southeast is a minor update to the popular Mini Southeast, the closest DJI come to a budget offering. We doubt it is a coincidence that DJI chose the same Southeast as Apple does for its lower-spec, cheaper devices. Just like the iPhone Southeast, this also an older casing. If it weren't for the name on the arm, it'd be hard to distinguish between the Mini Southeast or, for DJI history fans, the Mini 2 airframe that came before that. The camera specs remain the same too. The big change here from the previous Mini Southeast is that it uses the O2 radio system, a more recent version which doubles the bandwidth and increases the range to 10 km/6.2 miles in the US or 6 km/3.7 miles in other territories. This doesn't just bring clearer, more reliable preview video on the phone. It also brings the RCE-N1 controller seen on most drones on this list. I much prefer this more robust controller. This is a great choice as a first-time drone, and although on the spec sheet, the 2.7K camera might seem limited, that's the resolution of most phone screens, so for many this will be all you need. DJI hasn't been able to resist putting on a good quality 3-axis gimbal, so the camera is so steady the picture looks better than most 4K budget drones. Manual exposure is available too, just not RAW. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. We were big fans of the Mini 3 Pro on its debut, and still love the Mini 4 Pro, so it'll be no surprise that we're also impressed by the closely related Mini 3. That said, we should also point out that, even allowing for inflation, we're looking at a very real jump in Mini 2's pricing. Yes, that buys you a bit more strength against the wind and longer battery life, but it still feels a little pricey. This is DJI's Mini 3 Pro at a more palatable budget. Still not cheap, but by dispensing with the lesser used features, DJI has created a version that is easier to justify for many. It has great battery life and can survive a bit of a breeze while shooting 4K video in portrait or landscape. Just remember to avoid obstacles yourself. This is DJI's Mini 3 Pro at a more palatable budget. Still not cheap, but by dispensing with the lesser used features, DJI has created a version that is easier to justify for many. It has great battery life and can survive a bit of a breeze while shooting 4K video in portrait or landscape. Just remember to avoid obstacles yourself. Number 1. DJI Avata 2. DJI might dominate the drone world, but FPV has always seemed a little to the side of the company's core camera drones. FPV, first-person view, is taken to mean actually wearing goggles that let you virtually sit inside the drone you're flying, and it took time for digital tech to reach the standard it now is. Earlier FPV involved interference-ridden analog video. Now though, with the Avata 2, the company seems to have got things just right, having hit upon the sinuous frame style with the previous generation. The Avata 2 has been all about refinement, and this drone is an excellent example of what happens when designers listen to critics. There was a lot right with the Avata, and this is better. Not only that, but the bundled controller, the RC Motion 3, is also more refined, while DJI's Goggles 3 seems to have reached a much tittier point. Previous generations involved dangling cable batteries, but now this is managed in the forehead grip, while at the same time improving ergonomics. Beat that, Apple Vision Pro All. This comes with the ability to just stop and hover because it's still a DJI drone with GPS. It's like having an emergency brake. So while it might be a bit odd for experienced FPV enthusiasts, who will need to fork out for an optional stick-based controller, if you're coming at FPV just for the fun or to get those into and out of building shots, this will do the job and then some, without requiring years of tiresome practice in full manual mode. The Avata 2 will even do a flip for you.